Did you know that outer space, known for its vast silence, isn't entirely silent after all? While it's true space is a vacuum, and sound waves as we know them can't travel there, scientists have unraveled an incredible secret. Space is full of whispers, hums, and unearthly music. Intrigued? By the end of this video, you'll know about the cosmic symphony that defies expectations. It all starts with energy. In the expanses of space, energy moves through particles and plasma clouds. When measured by advanced instruments, these waves can be converted into hauntingly beautiful audio. NASA and researchers around the globe have been capturing these alien sounds, revealing an otherworldly aspect of the cosmos. Take Jupiter, for example. NASA's Juno spacecraft recorded intense radio emissions produced by the planet's polar magnetosphere. When translated into audio, these emissions create an eerie, wailing melody that some say sounds like a soundtrack straight out of a sci-fi movie. Venus isn't silent either. During NASA's Parker Solar Probe flyby, it captured a natural radio signal from Venus's ionosphere, a kind of static whisper from the thick atmosphere. But perhaps the most captivating soundtracks come from black holes. Using data from X-ray observatories, scientists have converted black hole vibrations into audio signals. One particularly fascinating instance is the Perseus galaxy cluster, where gas ripples caused by a supermassive black hole were transformed into a ghostly symphony of ultra-low frequencies. A sound no human ear could normally hear, but resonates profoundly when shifted into our auditory range. While radio telescopes capture these cosmic phenomena, some of the most thrilling revelations come from studying the interplay of particles. The Voyager probes, for instance, have recorded the hum of interstellar space. This hum is not produced by stars or planets, but by plasma waves traveling in the space between them. Described as a faint cosmic heartbeat, it's oddly comforting to know even the void has its rhythm. Each planetary body and astrophysical phenomenon has its unique voice. Even Saturn's hexagonal storm has produced electromagnetic emissions converted into haunting audio. This perfect mix of science and artistry offers humanity a soundtrack like no other, a glimpse into the grand orchestra of the universe. Now here's the twist. These sounds aren't just fascinating. They may hold clues to understanding the universe's structure, dynamics, and even origins.